A man found not guilty tonight in the 2018 death of his ex-girlfriend, 19-year-old Kiera Bergman.
Prosecutors say his stories following her death were not consistent, but the defense insisted there was not enough evidence to convict him, and the jury agreed on that. Fox 10's Irene Snyder live to break it all down for us. Irene?
Well, Christina and John, good evening. Clark was found not guilty on both charges of second-degree murder as well as tampering with evidence. Kiera's family we saw in the courtroom today very visibly upset following that ruling, and versus Clark very much relieved.
We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action upon our oaths, do find the defendant as to count 1, second-degree murder, Kiera Bergman, not guilty, signed foreperson.
Jon Christopher Clark fell into the arms of his attorneys when his verdict was read today. He was accused of murdering his ex-girlfriend, 19-year-old Kiera Bergman.
My name is about to be clear.
Clark, confident of the verdict heading into the courtroom.
You're confident that it's going to be not guilty?
Yes, I am.
Bergman vanished from her West Phoenix apartment on August 4th, 2018. Her body found a month later in Buckeye near State Route 85 in Hazen Road. According to court documents, Clark and Bergman had a history of domestic disputes. Bergman's roommate reported that in the days leading up to her disappearance, the couple had been fighting. Clark, police say, had several inconsistencies in his stories. That includes sharing details from a text that Bergman's roommate hadn't shared. According to the roommate, in the text, Bergman said she was going to hang out with another man. Police at the time said they believed Clark sent the text to cover his tracks. The prosecutor arguing in court, this was no accident.
She's still wearing her Mission Beach sweatshirt that she was wearing when she left work on the 4th. Phone's nowhere in sight.
The defense argued there was a lack of DNA evidence and the medical examiner could never pinpoint a cause of death. Nothing incriminating was found in their apartment or in Clark's car. And we did try and speak with Kiera's family following the ruling today. They did not want to talk with us, but I mentioned earlier they were very visibly upset in the courtroom. They had several family members present there today. Reporting live in Phoenix, I'm Irene Snyder for Fox 10 News.